Hey guys, welcome back to Cheesy Crafts. Right now, this is a hot mess on my table. Mike's already taken down my wall decorations that have been up there forever. I have some stuff already laid out there. I'm kind of playing around. But like I said, my kitchen table's a mess right now. That's Mike over there. Honey, say hello. He's trying to find the motivation because I basically gave him the task of spray painting my bar cart white and then another coffee thing so that I could show you guys the final look for my hot cocoa bar for the kids or a coffee bar for the adults. It's going to be both combined, and I have a hot mess. So don't mind that. You'll see the final product when we're done. And then I just came back from Kirkland's. This is the sign that's going to go over on that empty wall. And I am about to spray paint the letters in red. Not spray paint, I'm sorry, paint in red. And that's what we have so far. So we'll take you along as we work through the progress. And if my husband ever makes it to Lowe's, honey, to get paint, don't just smile. He has another project. So he has to go to Lowe's, not only for me, but for his own project. Right, babe?
Right.
And this is what he's doing, being lazy. And I just told him I want to replace these chairs in the living room. And this is his response. What's your response, eh? So we'll see. I'm going to take down the blue. And yeah, so I'm going to get curtains and chairs. I don't think he's going to be too fond of it, but we'll see. I think I could upholster these myself, to be honest, but I'm kind of scared. So anyways, okay, I'm gonna let you go because I gotta get this spray painted, so that Mike could hang it up over there on our empty wall, and then we could show you the final look of our, what is this gonna be called? Hot cocoa / coffee bar. All right, see you soon. Bye. Love you so much. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the final look of my hot cocoa / coffee bar that I made for the family for the month of December. So I'm just gonna show you, I'll show you a few extras as well. Okay, so I guess we'll start here. You guys know I had this bar cart. I originally bought it from Pier 1. It was gold. So I hand painted it with, I think it was called the eggshell white. Just some paint that I bought from Lowe's. Bottom shelf, which is the one we're going to start with, I have this bag right here that was very vintage, very kind of like old, but still had the stripes of white and red. I picked it up from Sam's Club. It is full of popcorn, different kinds of popcorn, caramel, cheddar, I think one more, but we can't eat popcorn because some of us have braces, so it's mostly just for decoration. Maybe Mike and Adriana will have some of it, but I just like the look of it, like I said, so I put that in the back. I have, of course, a new bottle of French vanilla and pink lemonade, and then in the back of the bottles there's another candle that's white that looks like this tree, and it's a candle. Of course, I'm not gonna light it up, you guys. It's not safe. This is just for decoration. And I absolutely loved how I have like a white and red stripe theme going on, like a candy cane, but yet there's pops of green. And I like it in specific areas where I plan to do it. So I really love that there's like, boom, like you get a pop-up of green out of nowhere. I don't know. So I just love that green there. I'll show you the rest. On the second shelf, I just have our napkins that are ready for whenever we have our Christmas dinner. I picked up this Dear Santa peppermint ground coffee. I think I got it from Home Goods, and I just have it there. I also have a lot of these Girardelli. I think that's how you pronounce it. I have the minis, and then I have the dark peppermint, and then just regular peppermint. This is like the kids and the family's favorite chocolate during the season. So it's just there on this side mostly just so they could grab one whenever, little snack. On the top shelf, I already have my coffee. On the top shelf, I have the same cups, you guys, the same stand. I picked this up from Kroger, this one right here. This little sign that says hot cocoa, pour yourself a cup of good cheer. Oh, excuse me, you guys, I'm still a little sick. I think I picked up that little sign from Home Goods, I think. And then I picked this up from Home Goods as well. It's just like a little glass, but in the inside, I'm lying, I got this from Kirkland's. But this I did pick up from Home Goods. And then on the inside, it just has like these metal stirring sticks that say coffee. Some of them say latte. So I just have them in there so it helps the kids. And then of course my coffee that I'm currently drinking. Over here, so you guys can see, you guys know I got the sign from Kirkland's, but I didn't like the gold, so I painted the Christmas letter in red. And then here's the top of the bar. So it's kind of like the bar, but then it kind of like spread onto the buffet table. I don't know. So don't look too closely. As you can see, I did a crappy job hand painting because Mike was supposed to help me hand paint this stuff, but his project fixing our fan in the bathroom took way too long. So then I tried to do it myself, and as you can see, I totally suck at it. But I got this from Tuesday Morning, long time ago, and I just put our Keurig cups in there, and then these jars, peppermints, marshmallows covered with peppermint and chocolate, and then these right here are just hot chocolate spoons that you just need hot water and they'll melt and make you hot cocoa. So I have those three right here. In the center, I have Enjoy the Simple Things in Life, which is just a little plate that I picked up from somewhere. And then the candy cane lane came from, where did it come from? It looks like it came from Hobby Lobby. So the candy cane thing came from the candy cane lane sign came from Hobby Lobby. The candle came from Home Goods. I've had it for a while, you guys. I don't always burn my candles. And on this side with these jars, I have actual candy canes right here. I have marshmallows, and as you can see, these are the favorite because the kids have already shrunk it. And these little cookie wafers with covered in chocolate and peppermint as well. And then my little sign, Love Makes Our House a Home. And my little dear, you guys, I'm super proud of her. I added this little bow to her, but I picked her up from Michael's. It was originally $100, and then they had a 50% all their Christmas 50%, so knocked it down to 50. And then I had a 25% coupon off, including sale items. So I got that at an even bigger steal. And she's so pretty. She's not broken. Nothing's missing. And it looks like she's flying into our coffee, hot cocoa bar area. And so that's what that looks like. I do feel, if you notice, I took this stuff down on the side. I do feel like this corner right here, it's kind of empty. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna get like a Christmas greenery, like the kind that Lowe's has, because they come in like a pot already. So I'm gonna put it there just to add a little bit of green. At the door over here, I just have that little bowl right there, and then I have this one right here on that bathroom. And then my table is very simple, you guys. I ended up buying this tablecloth from Home Goods, and it was so big. It is so big, way bigger. Like if I extend it, it hits the floor, and I didn't like it. So I ended up folding it so I have the stripes looking like this, and made it into a table runner. And then in the center, I just put a little bowl with the ornaments. And let me tell you about the ornaments. So this is my table piece, just a little bowl with ornaments, very simple. But let me tell you about the ornaments. So this year I got a new Christmas tree, and that's what it looks like. And I love it. I absolutely love it. It's like this material, and I'm bringing you close so you guys could see, but it's like this material that doesn't leave shedding behind. It's like plastic. And I just love it because, like I said, it doesn't leave anything on the ground. And it's a slim aspen tree that we picked up from Lowe's. And because it's slim, it's skinny, because I knew that I wanted the Christmas tree to go here this year in this corner. So I got a skinny one. And these ornaments are so fat and bulky that they look ridiculous on the Christmas tree. So I said, you know what? I love that green. Like, I don't know how these colors came about, but I feel like my theme looks like a Christmas earthy, and the green just kind of like pops everything. So that's what the Christmas tree looks like. I know, very simple, no ornaments, like I said. And then Mike said no, that I couldn't buy new chairs. So what I ended up doing is trading the chairs from my son's room to the living room, and he wasn't so happy, but I told him it was only temporary, because again, the brown just kind of gives like earthy colors with a pop of red and green. And Michael just got off shift, and he moved the curtains taller to the ceiling. So those are new simple white curtains. I feel like I need maybe, like, if I could find like a red and white stripe like cloth, just so that I could kind of like lean it over the top like that of the rod. And I also want to add like white lights, just so they sprinkle down behind the curtains. I don't know, but I definitely need something up there. Now, because I didn't use the ornaments, I was like, well, where can I put them? So this was a great idea that I thought I would share with you guys. I ended up putting 2 ornaments there. And then look, I made a bowl and just placed a bunch of ornaments in there, just so that it ties down with the theme. And then you guys already saw that. And look where I added the rest, just in the basket with the blanket and the pillows, and put ornaments in between. And that's what I have so far. Oh, I didn't talk about my little Santa. But here's a vintage Santa that I found Tuesday morning as well. He's got little toys in his bag. And so I love him. And I got him on a super deal. You guys already know I don't pay full price for anything. So it's either on sale or I have a coupon for things. But he's lasted, I think, 3-4 years. And super cute. So he is old, but I love him. These cones right here, I picked up from Kroger, the grocery store, and they were on sale as well. And just got include a little bit of those red and white stripes. And then the center, my sleigh, which I have no idea where I got it from. And then just the candles and some ornaments. And then here, I'm really loving my tree how it is, you guys. I'm gonna keep it green. Oh no, I love that green with the brown and red. It's like old, like, I don't know, I just like it. And like I said, this part right here is not done. Mike didn't let me buy or said no to buying new living room chairs, but he did say yes, and it is gonna be my only Christmas gift. It's gonna be to get like an electric heater that is going to look like a chimney with the mantle, so it's going to be fake, but that's okay. So I'm going to end up putting that in this wall right here. So this is just kind of laying there for the moment, but it's not going to be like that. And I mean, I went on to show you the living room, you guys, but the main focus of this video was mainly just for me to show you my coffee slash hot cocoa bar that I decided to make for the kids and for my family this year. Once again, candy cane inspired, and you could see that throughout the house. That's gonna be it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Get inspired to create your own little hot cocoa spot or coffee if you're a coffee lover like we are. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.